In this video, we are going to see a very important topic, and that is how to stop Microsoft Edge from continuously asking again and again to make it the default browser. It might be quite annoying that as soon as you access the website, it always shows you this dialog box to make that a default browser. If you do not want that, here's how you can permanently turn this off. What we need to do is in the start menu, right here, regedit, and right click on this. If possible, run it as administrator or just directly click on that. Click yes. And from here, first of all, I recommend you to always take the backup. It's very simple to do. File, go to export and save it before proceeding further on the registry editor, so that if anything goes wrong, you can always import the previous backup and you should be good to go. So we click on local machine and find the software area. Click on the software. Then we will search for the policies. Here is policies, expand that. We search for Microsoft, here's Microsoft, and then we search for Microsoft Edge. So once we open that, we right click and in the new, we will select dword 32-bit value and name it as default browser settings enabled. Just keep it like that in the exact same way like I did. Double click on this and it should be 0x000 and 1. So if you change it to 1, click OK. So if you do not want that to be asked every single time, we will keep the value to 0. Click OK. So 0 means no prompts, or turn this option off. Close out of here. You might need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.